Hey there, welcome to an alternate scene, a cutscene from the Coding at Home with the Code Hub sessions. What I'm going to do is we're going to go a little bit more in depth on some of the turtle graphics stuff that we talked about briefly at the end of yesterday's lesson. I like the turtle graphic stuff because it's based on an old programming language called Logo that Seymour Papert, Cynthia Solomon, and a few others developed back in the 70s. And they came up with this module called Turtle Graphics, where kids and use a monkey emojis instead of a turtle. So that's where the monkey came from for our turtle graphics thing. So it starts out very simple. We've got just a few commands. If you look at that first page in Simplified Playgrounds that we played around with yesterday, we've got forward. We pass in a number over here. Backwards, same thing. We go backwards so many steps. Right, left, in degrees, a circle. So if you haven't done that yet, when we hit run my code, we're going to actually see degrees helper pop up on the screen. We got set color. We went through that yesterday. Pen up. We want to move the monkey around the screen, get him in position to draw our next element. Pen down. We have to remember to put the pen back down. I always forget, and I see the turtle or the monkey moving around the screen, and I wonder why he's not drawing anything. Home. We'll send the monkey back to the center of the screen. Set pen size. We can change the size of the pen that we're using so that the line will be a little bit thicker, so maybe we can see it better. This is nice, especially when we're dealing with colors. And we have a note here about set speed. If it's moving a bit too slow for us, we can set speed to one dot slow, dot normal, dot brisk, dot fast, or dot super fast. At the moment, we're not quite supporting this little speedometer button in Playgrounds for Turtle Graphics Playgrounds. I'm planning on it. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So when we run my code, so I've got a note here because I am not a geometry teacher and I can't believe I can't count. That this is the hexagon that we drew first, not an octagon like I counted quickly on air yesterday. We still have our turtle repeat 45. And then I added some more code because I wanted to keep playing around with loops, where I'm going to take whatever color is last in this repeat 45, and I'm going to draw a little star looking thing. So that's kind of cool. So this is just something that you can play around with. I'm a big fan of it because I like the degrees helper. I love that we can kind of draw interesting shapes just based on changing a few of these numbers. Like if we say, actually, let's get rid of our 45. So we'll delete that. We'll delete our turtle repeat code. And, well, we'll keep the movement in there. That's fine. And then let's say we say, actually, let's make that a bit bigger. Instead of 60, we want to do, I don't know, 120. Let's double it. Whoops, it would help if I typed it in the right area. So we're going to change this to 120 and run my code. So off we go. There's our hexagon. It's a much bigger star. If we change the pen size, we can see how that works. I love this playground because you can play around with it. There's no harm, no foul. You can mess it up as much as you like. In fact, in some of the other Turtle Graphics playgrounds that I've produced, there are bugs that you need to fix. And I try to include enough instructions in them that you should be able to do them all on your own without an accompanying video. But down the road, we will do some videos as well. So that's it. I just wanted to make sure we showed that, and also to show you that I do know what a hexagon is, that it's not an octagon. But yeah, I'd love to see your shapes. Try posting them somewhere, and drop me a note through the Code Hub website to let me know that you were playing around with Turtle Graphics on the iPad. Thanks. Bye.